Hey guys, it's your favorite sleep-deprived coder, Ritz from Augmented Startups, back with a disastrous project. Let's take a look at what we're going to make. So we're going to combine computer vision with ChatGPT to generate recipes that are guaranteed to ruin your dinner plans. And the best part is that we're actually going to make this recipe. Aren't you excited, Cola? Yeah, he's very excited. So here's the master plan. We first need to make an app that's a dynamic island, right?
What?
That will scan your vegetables. That's your broccoli and your Brussels sprouts, tomatoes and your carrots. So our app will scan all of these vegetables, which will then generate us a list of vegetables that we have. And all of that gets fed into ChatGPT, that funny logo that they have. Then that will give us a recipe that we can then cook onto the stove. What could possibly go wrong? So first things first, we need our model to recognize all of the vegetables that we have. I guess we could use YOLO V8 for this project, but let's see.
Bruh.
So now because I'm so fucking lazy, I'm just gonna grab a dataset of RoboFlow. Cool, so I'm just gonna type in veggie tables. Okay, this looks good. You can see we've got some nice bounding boxes over these elongated vegetables and some really nice annotations, so I'm happy with that. So even though I have the dataset, I still need to train the YOLO V8 model. So sit back, get some snacks, get some coffee, while you watch me spiral into madness training and optimizing this model. Oh god, errors. Damn it.
2,000 years later.
Check this out, it works. Look at that. Look at that. So if you go closer into the video, we can see that we're detecting a tomato, broccoli, apple. The fact remains that it works, okay? So as you can see, we picked up a tomato, broccoli, hot pepper, avo, and squash pattison. What the hell is a pattison? So we got the image recognition sorted out. Let's see what our dear friend ChatGPT can come up with regards to the recipes. Don't you agree? Yeah. Okay, so let's take a look at some of the results that we got. Okay, so this is failing dismally, okay, except where it detects the hot peppers. It's thinking that these things are beets, but meanwhile they are peppers. Epic fail. Huh, look at this. This one is actually perfect. Even though it does detect this as broccoli, it's actually a cauliflower, which it will in... Okay, there we go, we've got it. But with some extra training, I think it will do much better. There we go, tomatoes! Yeah, we got it. Oh no, not a potato. It's okay, we got a bell pepper, we got it. Alright, tomatoes. We should add in salt into our mix there. Tomatoes, okay, that's not so bad. This is the one that we reviewed earlier and it did a really good job, except where it detected the broccoli as an avocado. So let's see if you can spot the tomato. Yeah, that's incorrect. But this is actually useful for our app. Onions, garlic. Perfect, I'm happy with that. I did it, guys. I did it. Check this out. It works. It works, guys. So look at this. Now, I am going to run this app. So right here we have the code. And now we're going to execute this by pressing enter. Right, now it will be running. See if everything does as it expects. There we go. We've got something. Now it's telling us to select a video. So I'm going to select one of the 7 demos and I think I'll select this one. Press enter. Got it. Okay, your recipe will be generated here. You can see things are happening. So excited. Right, okay, so we've got the video that is popping up. We're detecting onions. That should be garlic. Yep, we've got garlic. And now we'll wait for this thing to finish. Once this thing is done, the recipes will be generated right over there. By the way, you can get all of the code at store.augmentedstartups.com. So let's wait for it. Okay, cool. So we did a print statement that printed out the full instructions. And over here, you can see that we have our ChatGPT generated recipe. How cool is this, guys? So now for the ultimate test, guys. We're going to look inside this fridge to see what vegetables we got. And we're going to scan it into our app. And then from there, we're going to see what recipes we can come up with using ChatGPT. So let's find out. Okay, so we've got a couple of things inside here. Okay, so we've got asparagus, we've got avocados, we know surely that will be detected. So we'll take out the asparagus, maybe the celery. Not sure what cool things we can use with celery. We got carrots. Yes, let's take that out. Not sure what else we train our model. We've got apples, definitely. We can have some apple soup. But carrots and asparagus, delicious. Alright, we got gluten-free bread there. We've got some dates and some nuts. I don't know if that will be detected. We've got some eggs, some mushrooms. Maybe that could be part of our list. We found some broccoli. Okay, so we've got quite a few things. We've got bananas and lemons. I don't think they're part of the dataset, but let's find out. Okay, check this out, guys. I've laid out all of the veggies right here. I'm not sure which ones were part of the original dataset. So we've got apples here, which look very similar to the tomatoes over here. Let's see if they do get detected. We've got mushrooms, we've got broccoli, and asparagus. It's gonna be very delicious, guys. Ooh, look what we have here. We've got potatoes.
What's potatoes, precious?
Right, add that to our list. Okay, now time to capture the vegetables. Okay, so this is the ultimate test. As you can see, I even called the video ultimate test.mp4 or M4V. Right, so we're gonna select the video, that ultimate test. Okay, so look at that. Oh my god, this is so bad. We're detecting a potato as onions, onion as a tomato, tomato, okay, as tomato, okay, and broccoli. We got broccoli, guys. Look at that. This is detecting as a tomato. It doesn't really look like a potato, garlic, or whatever it's trying to detect. Okay, we're detecting the apple as a carrot. Not correct. Come on. Detect the two-faced avocado. Come on. Two-faced avocado. Okay, doesn't really want to detect it. Oh. Okay, we're detecting a carrot as a carrot because, I mean, carrots are the easiest thing to detect in the world, guys. And nothing for the asparagus. Well, not surprising because we didn't have it in our dataset. So these results don't look that great, but maybe I can make a change by increasing our confidence threshold to maybe 0.85. So it must be super confident that it is what it is. Right, so save, let's run it again. Okay, so here we go with round 2. All right, so we're not detecting the potatoes, we're not. Okay, we might have picked up a potato. We're picking a tomato for apples. Okay, we are detecting broccoli. Okay, nothing for the mushrooms because we don't have it in our dataset. Avocado is so non-existent. It's really confident that it's a tomato for an apple. There's the two-faced avocado, which is very elusive right now. And I think this is not saying what it is, but it should show carrot. Carrot, you got it. Cool. So that's when we like being really strict with our parameters. Okay, so I think I'm happy with these results. Didn't pick up potato, but let's see if it did it. Yes, we did pick up potato, broccoli, tomato, carrot. We don't have pumpkin, but let's just roll with it, guys. Okay, let's see what we're having for dinner. So today we're gonna have a broccoli, potato, pumpkin soup. I'm so excited. Yeah, so I did promise that I'm going to make this. It doesn't sound that great, but a promise is a promise. Let's do it. Okay, so now for the moment of truth. Let's see how AI generated food tastes.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Anyways, if you enjoyed watching me suffer through this culinary catastrophe and want to learn more about creating your own questionable projects, I've got great news for you guys. I've put together some top-notch courses just for you, wonderful kiosk-loving people. By joining these courses, you'll gain access to exclusive content, private WhatsApp group with over 400 plus developers, and in-depth tutorials and all of the secrets behind my weird and wacky projects. It's like giving yourself the power to create your own AI-driven chaos, but with a little bit of guidance than just blindly smashing code together. Also, if you want to see how I smoke the drone, then check this video right up here.